Hi, I'm Katie. In this video, we're going to go over our introduction to portal links to mobile apps email. First thing you're going to want to do, click Get for Free. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Firm Templates. And then Emails. Then you will want to open the email to check what it looks like. Here you can review what the email looks like. Once you know a little bit about the security and the mobile app information, you can see that there is a link to the mobile app and to our Android app. Click Save and Exit. To send the email, you go ahead and click New, and then Email. You can go ahead and select the template you want to use, who you want to send it to. So we're going to go ahead and send it to my test account. And then send. And now that email has been sent to the client. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you. Have a great day.